and parachute on the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Ready to go. We're coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots.
And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 2nd of the 24 days leading up to Christmas. We're going to be building this knife on this Boker Plus Advent Calendar. Everything that we require to build this knife with all of its options is included in the 24 boxes we find right here. That's right. So, this being December 2nd, we're going to go over here, put this off to the side. And the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a liner. And today we get the second liner. How exciting is that? So, thank you so much for spending time here with me. Barring any crazy work schedule stuff, my plan is to do a box today. Assembling this knife as we go along, making some decisions along the way, and you're invited to come with us. So, thank you so much. And as always, in 24 days, we're going to have a knife day.